Okay, so today your functional lesson is to help your parents fold some laundry. Because I know in houses with kids, there is always, always, always laundry. Okay, so the first thing we're going to learn about is folding towels. This happens to be a beach towel, hopefully a clean one. Okay, so beach towels, they're really long. So towels, I hold it with my chin, then you match them corner to corner. Corner to corner. Then lay them out on the table or surface. And once you lay them out halved, then you half them corner to corner again. And then corner to corner again. One towel, done. Another towel, okay? Corner to corner. If it's too long, hold it with your chin. If it's not, just hold it corner to corner with your arms. Match it up, okay? You got corner to corner. Lay it out on the table. Walk it forward. Meet it corner to corner. Then fold it side to side, meeting up corner to corner. Ta-da! 2 beach towels, done. Okay? Not going to just fall. We're not just going to do beach towels. Next thing we're going to learn about is socks. Howard seriously wants to be in the video. Socks. So these are my son's socks. Little horsies on them. Take your socks, match up the top to the top. I know not all socks match anymore. Match up top to top. Stick your thumb inside one of the tops and fold it over and push your hand through. Socks, done. Okay? If you have smaller socks, these are my socks. Match up the tops, top to top. Put your hand in the top of the sock. I put my thumb in instead of my hand and fold it over your hand like that. See, it's on my hand. Done. Okay, now here's a big one. This is how to fold a shirt. Okay, shirt. Do arm to arm or sleeve to sleeve. Line up the top seams. Or you could lay it out on the table like this. Take one sleeve and fold it over to the other sleeve, right in half. So you cut the shirt in half, okay? Then you can fold the sleeves in. So now you got a big rectangle. Then you fold the bottom up to the top. Voila, shirt folded. I'm going to put it up here on the towels. All right, here's a bigger one. Actually, I'm going to show you a shirt with long sleeves. Huh, look at that, Rockford Rockets. Okay, you're going to lay it out flat on the table. I'm going to take this big long sleeve over here, and I'm going to match it over to this big long sleeve over here. Fold the shirt in half. Okay, fold the shirt in half. I like to unfold all the little wrinkles in it, because then when I put it on, it's not wrinkly. Although this is my husband's shirt, so maybe we'll leave a couple wrinkles in. Then take your arms, your sleeves like this when they're long. They don't fold over as well. If you fold them straight over, they hang over the other side. So I like to take these and fold them down instead. Or you can take them, fold them in half, then fold them in half again. Now bring your top edge of your shirt down to the bottom edge of your shirt. Ta-da! Shirt done. Last thing we're going to talk about is pants. Okay? Pants. See that? These are not my big old pants. These are Tom's. Take these, fold one pocket to the other pocket. Fold them in half. You got half pants right there. Okay? Now take them, fold it, put your hand out at the knees, fold them in half. Then fold them in half again. Voila, you are done. So today, ask your mom or dad, what can I help you fold, mom or dad? That's your task for today. See ya.